kájọ ríra lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì pé wàá ké mi send owó mọ́tò mọ́tò mo fẹ́ gbé flight mo fẹ́ gbé. àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti sọ fún wa pé káyé dára láàmú mọ́ tàbá ti send owó mọ́tò sí obìnrin tí ó bá ti wá ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bọ̀ ní police station tàbá ti dé police station wọ́n á charge wá sí court.
Why would you collect transport fare from a man without going to see him? It's an offense.
Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán ẹ kálẹ́ ní ibi gbogbo tí ẹ ti ń wò wá ìkànnì Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn ibẹ̀ gangan náà ni ẹ já sí abẹ̀yìn arọ̀ yín pé kí ẹ má bá wa wo àwọn fọ́nrán wa ojú tẹ fún wò wá ò ní fọ́ etí tí ẹ fi ń gbọ́ wa kò ní di ẹ má bá wa subscribe ẹ tọ notification button sílẹ̀ nítorí àwọn fọ́nrán míì tí ó máa jáde ẹ ṣeun bí ẹ ṣe ń tẹ̀lé wa a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa nǹkan pàtàkì tí a gbé wá lọ́jọ́ tòní òun lọ̀rọ̀ láàrin ọkùnrin àtobìnrin kájọ ríra lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì pé wàá ké mi send owó mọ́tò mọ́tò mo fẹ́ gbé flight mo fẹ́ gbé àwọn ọkùnrin lọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ fọ́jú àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti sọ fún wa pé káyé dára láàmú mọ́ tàbá ti send owó mọ́tò sí obìnrin tí ó bá ti wá ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bọ̀ ní police station tàbá ti dé police station wọ́n á charge wá sí court wọ́n ní under 419 act 419 ni ó wà. ọmọ wa fi àkókò ìsọ fún gbogbo wa pé nígbà tí a bá ń jọ ń sọ lẹ́nu pẹ̀lú ra báyìí kò máa ń fẹ́ fìdí múlẹ̀ tó ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ń sọ yìí ẹnu ọlọ́pàá ni ó ti jáde yìí pé tí ọkùnrin bá ti send owó mọ́tò sí obìnrin dandan ni ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ ó fẹ́ fi ẹ́ mọ ènìyàn ó fẹ́ fi ẹ́ mọ kéènì ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ di mọ́ tó ti send account number sí tó tẹ̀ ti send owó sí ẹ̀ ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ tí o bá ti lọ ó ti lò ní jìbìtì nìyẹn o gbọ́dọ̀ sọ pé ṣé mo mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí ni ṣebí wo mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí nígbà tó mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí kí lóye tó fi béèrè owó mọ́tò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kí lóye tó fi béèrè owó flight lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹnu bíi oṣù tí ó kọjá yìí tí obìnrin kan tí ó gba owó kọ́mùfà lọ́wọ́ ọkùnrin kan bóyá 30,000 àbí 40,000 naira obìnrin ó wá ń post níwájú lọ́ọ̀yà sọ pé máa rán ẹ lọ síbi tó fẹ́ ó ní rárá kíníkan ok nígbà tí adájọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní kóbìnrin kó lọ sọ 450,000 naira tàbí kó lọ ṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n ọdún 6 obìnrin ìsáyé san 450,000 naira ó gba 30,000 àbí 40,000 ó fi san owó gèlè mọ́.
Because this whole thing is circulating on the internet, so I'll just cut the whole sub story and just make it very short. Emmanuel sent me money for transportation that he wanted to see me. But Emmanuel is a friend that I met online. I don't really know him. I've never met him in person. So before Emmanuel sent that money to me for transportation, I told him that he should come over to my city. He said no, that he cannot go to visit a woman, blah, 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 that he wants me to come. So he kept telling me that he wants me to come, I told him, me too, I cannot go and visit a man that I don't really know. I've never met before, right? So I don't know, out of the blue, he just, some of you men, you guys are very stupid and crazy, but let me just keep that part. Out of the blue, this guy just sent me 50,000 naira. Now, he sent me that 50,000 naira with a text message saying that this is your transportation. I want to see you tomorrow. Like, you are doing alpha mail for me with 50,000 naira. Where would 50,000 naira take me to? Mind you, this guy stays in Abuja, and me, I stay in Asaba. So, you guys, please, I want to know if I'm crazy, because this whole thing does not make any sense to me. The 50,000 naira that he sent, is it for me to use it and do, like, I should do what with it? So I just ignored him. I didn't reply that message. Then he came the next day when he was expecting me to come. He sent me a message that, why are you not here yet? Can you imagine? So I didn't reply that message. Before you know, I started getting calls from people, threats from people, his friends. I don't know who he gave my number, and they'll keep threatening me, telling me that, his friend sent me money. So when I kept getting calls from all these people, I then reached out to him, and I told him that, okay, I'm no longer comfortable with what is going on, that he should send me his account number, let me forward the money to him. And he said no. He just flared up, and he said no, started sending me some kind of messages. He was so angry. And he said a lot of things that I would not like to say here, right? So after 2 days, I reached out to him. And I told him that, okay, now that you sent me this money, you don't want to, now that you sent me this money, you know that this money will not be enough. And you don't want to send me your account number, let me refund the money. Then you come. I told him, come to my city. Like, I don't even understand, why are you people making it seem like, are you guys dumb? Don't you guys think? What do you people even want? If you see the one that go, is a problem. If the one that refuse to go, is a problem. What do you people want? Okay, what if I go there now and that guy harm me? You people will not say, oh, she went to see man, she followed this one, women don't stay one place. You guys are dumb. See, I don't even read you people's comments because obviously you people don't have anything meaningful to say. I don't even read you people's comments because you guys don't think. You see this gege, the thing that this gege will do to all of you, because the rubbish people are commenting in that my video, the thing that this gege will do to all of you, you guys don't even see it coming. You don't even see it coming. See, God, I just pity our future men, Nigerian men. I pity the ones that are coming up. It's me, I don't want to say much. I don't want to say much about this whole issue. The only thing that I have to say now is that the whole case has been sorted out. I gave him the 450,000. Obviously, it's nothing to me.
ẹ̀yin yẹn wà nílùú lóko ẹ má yẹ ká dára láàmú torí pé èèyàn lè fi ọwọ́ ààrẹ kó fi mú òfin. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fọ́nrán yẹn ká lè kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí i ká gbọ́ lẹ́nu ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Why would you collect transport fare from a man without going to see him? It's an offense. A punishable offense is obtaining money under false pretense. 419. I am here to give you this piece of information because I am your number one bestie. My name is SP Grace Iringekoko, the Police Public Relations Officer for the Rivers State Police Command. Thank you.
ẹ̀yin yẹn wá ṣe ti rí òun nìyẹn o nítorí pé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnìkan ló ń jẹ́ irọ́ ẹnu àwọn aṣòfin ẹnu àwọn amòfin ibẹ̀ náà ni a ti gbọ́ àti ẹnu àwọn agbófinró ẹnu wọn ni a ti gbọ́ yìí. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká mú òfin ní ọwọ́ ra wa. Ẹnikẹ́ni èèyàn kéèyàn tí obìnrin bá ti gba owó lọ́wọ́ wa tí kò wá ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé lọ sí police station. Láti police station wọ́n á charge ẹ̀ sí court. Ohun tó bá tọ́ sí aláfojúra rẹ̀ yìí níbẹ̀. Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn ire o.
Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn.